Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the future with a highly anticipated reveal, the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan successor. Buckle up, ye gearheads, because this isn't your typical Lamborghini. A new era dawns. The iconic Huracan is getting a makeover, and this time, Lamborghini is shaking things up. Gone is the familiar V10 engine, replaced by a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain. Yes, you heard that right, Lamborghini is entering the world of electrification, but fear not, this isn't your average Prius. Performance. While details are still under wraps, rumors suggest a twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an electric motor. This electrifying combo promises to deliver heart-pounding acceleration and mind-bending horsepower, keeping the Huracan successor true to Lamborghini's legacy of performance. But here's the twist, whispers point to the turbos kicking in only above 7,000 RPM. This means for everyday driving, you'll experience the thrill of a naturally aspirated engine, that smooth, responsive feel Lamborghini is known for. Design. Lamborghini has released some cryptic spy shots, hinting at the design direction. Expect a silhouette that retains the Huracan's sharp angles and aggressive stance, but with a futuristic edge. Think sharper lines, redesigned air intakes for improved downforce, and innovative headlight and taillight designs that incorporate Lamborghini's signature hexagon motif. Interior. While details are scarce, we can expect the interior to be a luxurious blend of high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. Imagine a driver-focused cockpit with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen infotainment system. Lamborghini will likely incorporate advanced driver assistance features, making this beast not only thrilling but also surprisingly safety-conscious. Unique selling points. So, hybrid powerhouse, it's a Lamborghini with a conscience. The hybrid technology promises exhilarating performance with a greener footprint, a win-win for eco-conscious speed demons. Dual personality engine, enjoy the smooth, responsive feel of a naturally aspirated engine for everyday driving, then unleash the fury of the turbos when you unleash your inner racer. Futuristic design. The Huracan successor promises to be a head-turner, pushing the boundaries of automotive design while staying true to Lamborghini's heritage. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan successor is a bold step forward for the iconic brand. It embraces electrification while staying true to its core values of performance and head-turning design. This isn't just a new car, it's a glimpse into the electrified future of Lamborghini. Leave a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming car reveals. Thanks for watching.